Jane, also regarding samples. So basically, I know that and saving money. So basically, since we're as e-commerce sellers, sometimes, actually all the time, if we're doing a new product, we need samples. So you can save money on that, right? There's like a process that can help us save money on samples. Can you tell us a little bit about that, please?
Yes, samples. First of all, samples are really important because why should you order this sample? First of all, because you can check the material, you can check the quality of this product. For example, it happened to us a lot of times. We ordered samples from 3 factories, and samples were like they were just different products, and it's supposed to be just one product because they used different materials, they used different boxes, one of them added instructions, another one didn't, so it's better to check the quality. Secondly, you also should check the printing of your logo by ordering sample, and thirdly, you should also order a sample to take pictures for your product, to film some videos, so to start promoting your product on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook before having this product in America, Canada, so on. So yeah, how you can save money. First of all, Chinese suppliers, when you are talking about, when you're discussing the sample with them, you should ask them if they will refund this money in the future. For example, if you make an order in this with this supplier, he should give you this money back. He should calculate this price in the price of the bulk. So yeah, and if you, for example, order a lot of samples from different factories, of course, they cannot refund you this price if you don't order with them. Also, you can save some money by not sending this sample to your country. For example, you can use such a company as us. So we can inspect your product in China. We can also take pictures of your product in China. So you save time and also you save money because you just don't pay for the delivery and you don't waste your time.
So like, let's say we found like 5 good factories and we believe that we want to work with them. We get 5 samples, we send them to your people. Your people can visually show us what's going on, what's the best sample.
Yes, they can take a lot of pictures, they film a lot of videos, they also describe this product to me because they don't speak English. Like one of them, he speaks English, but not really good. So he describes this product to me, and then you and me, we are discussing this product, and you just decide what you want to do with all of these factories.
Yeah, pretty cool. So we're going to have your contacts in the description in case people want to maybe use this specific service if they're on the kind of level when they're checking for samples and they want to save money. Because I know that if you, let's say you get 5 samples, and if you ship each one of them home to your country, there's going to be like a lot of money for each shipment. And I don't know if you have such service that sometimes, because sometimes people still want to kind of play with these samples and see them, that maybe you can we send the samples to you, like, and then you can make one box of all the samples and send it to us? Do you do that as well, Jane?
Yes, it's something we normally do when we have a client and we gather all of these samples in our warehouse, and then we just send it in one parcel, and of course it's cheaper. And also we have our Chinese logistic company. They just give better prices than, for example, Ukrainian logistic company, so American, Canadian, so on.
All right, perfect. I think we kind of covered samples really well.